Hi guys, and welcome to another video by the Rock U School of Music. Today we're talking about Iron and Wine, the fantastic song Naked as We Came from the album Our Endless Numbered Days from the year 2004. Before we get started, could you guys just hit the subscribe button? I realize over 90% of my viewers are not subscribed to this channel. So please take a second and go ahead and do that. Okay, let's start talking about this song. So we have a drop D tuning, okay? So you're tuning your 6th string down to D. If you can't do that by ear, just try to clip on a tuner or use your phone tuner to get your low 6th string down to D. And we're capoed at the 2nd fret. Okay, so the kind of main chord we're working off of in the verse is this sound. So we have So that part plays 4 times at the intro, and that's actually the parts that he's playing during the verse when they're singing too, the A part of the verse. So we have, it's like a C-shaped chord, okay? So you're moving, your C's over here, so you're moving it up 1, 2, 3, 4 frets to get that first chord. And this is all finger picking, obviously, so the pattern is 5, 5, 3, 4, 2, 5, 3, 4, 2. Then we hit the low 6th string and do the same pattern on top. 6, 3, 4, 2. And then we open up our 5th string. 5, 3, 4, 2. So 5, 3, 4, 2, 6, 3, 4, 2, 5, 3, 4, 2. Back to 6, 3, 4, 2. Then we're putting our first finger on the 4th fret on the 6th string. That pattern with those 3rd, 4th, and 2nd strings, the 3, 4, 2 stays throughout the song. So we have 6, 3, 4, 2. Put your 3rd finger on the 6th fret, 6th string. 6, 3, 4, 2. First finger on the 4th fret, 5th string. 5, 3, 4, 2, and then open 5, 3, 4, 2. So it's So let me show you what constitutes 1. So this is 1. So that's 1, and we're doing that 4 times in the intro. And then now we're into the first verse. He's doing that again 4 times. And after that, we have the B part of the verse. The B part of the verse sounds something like this. Okay, so that's like a sus2 chord. That's like a B sus2. Without the capo, that would be like an A sus2. So we have 5, 5, 3, 4, 2, 5, 3, 4, 1, 5, 3, 4, 2, 5. Oh yeah, so yeah. So after that, you have 5, 4, 3, 2, 5, 4, 3, 2. That's a little bit of a tricky part, so let's take our time to go over that. So 5, 3, 4, 2, 5, 3, 4, 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 5, 4, 3, 2. And then that second part of the verse with this, so just familiar by now, right? Back to the sus2. This again, you're going to do that 4 times as well. And then at the end of that first verse, you're going back to the intro, okay? So you're going to do that twice, this part twice again. So that's twice, then we're into the second verse. Guess what? This same intro part serves as the second verse as well. That part happens 4 times as well. So then we're back to the sus2 part again 4 times, okay? Do that part 4 times. And then we're towards the end of the song. We're at the outro of the song. The outro of the song, just like the intro of the song, goes 4 times. So again, we're back to this part. Alright, hope that helps. Get into learning, stuff with the capo, songs with the capo, and especially songs that have just kind of 2 parts to them. That's a really great kind of way to get started with learning, like not just beginner songs, but like beginner finger picking songs as well. Just like any songs that have like a simple, small number of parts. Alright, hope this has been helpful. If you want to suggest any tutorials in the future, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you so much.